Hi guys, let's do our Nifty daily analysis. Before I begin, I'd just like to inform you that some of you might find some background noise. Now that's happening because we're also having a class running in the background. That's why you can overhear students and trainers talking. Alright, so moving on with our analysis. Nifty, as you can see the close, this is how the daily close happened with a rejection on top. And let's also take a look at the weekly chart. This is how the weekly looks like. So there's a breakout in the weekly of the previous range, indicating that Nifty has shown signs of starting its uptrend again. Now, if we come to a daily chart and we look at where to enter, where to exit, what the targets are, just a recap of what we did last week. It has actually met our last week's target. So this was the trend that we were, the extension that we were checking. I'll just make it here so it's easier. As you can see, we have reached 161.8% extension from our previous move. Alright, so that is a good thing. We got our target, so now we can expect a pullback. And after the pullback, we will now take a look at where would be the next target and where could you plan an entry. So let me just remove these tools and we'll do an extension, a higher one. Okay, now as you can see, we have crossed 141.8 and our next target is 161.8. Okay, which is 11,587. Now here we also have a harmonic pattern. Let me remove these tools. Okay, that's the first leg. Then the pullback. So this is now going for a 88.6% deal formation, which would complete a bad pattern. Okay, that would be somewhere around here, 88.6. Okay, now that price is also around 11,558, which as you see is very close to our previous target that we just saw. Okay, now we will also take a look at how to enter this. So it's almost there, but we can expect a pullback to happen. Now if you look at this chart, just use the normal Fibonacci retracement. And since we have a rejection, we are considering this high as the swing high. Now 38.2% is the previous high, and if you look at this structure, this is completing within 61.8%. Okay, so the zone for the pullback is what we'll mark out. So we are expecting a pullback around this, somewhere between this red box. Once the market comes back inside this rectangle and gives us a rejection signal, we could look at a buy again. Until then, we are looking at a pullback. Okay, and for the target, we will just, we haven't marked it, so I'll just do that once more. We had used our Fibonacci extension tool. Okay, so that is our target, which is coinciding with our harmonic pattern, which is the bat. Okay, so Let me just make the bat one more time for confirmation. This is X to A to B, B to C, and C to D would be the 88.6, which is somewhere around here. Yeah. Okay. Okay, this is what we can expect Nifty to do in the next week. All right. So let's see how the market plays out on Monday, and we'll be in touch after the market closes. In the meanwhile, if there are any other stocks that you'd like us to analyze, please feel free to mention that in the comment section. That's all for now. Have a good trading day. Thank you. Bye bye.